If your phone is not on Google, does your business even exist for your customers? Are potential customers searching for you but not finding a way to call? If your phone is not on Google, you are losing business every day. When customers search for you on Google, do they find a way to call? Hi, my name is Anju Groh. I'm a media professional. I'm into digital writing and marketing. Why having a phone number is important? Phone number on Google is important. About 6 reasons for it. Number one, easy contact for customers. You can get calls directly from Google search or maps. Number two, increases trust and credibility. A verified phone number boosts confidence in your business.
Improves local SEO. Google considers accurate business details, including phone numbers, to rank businesses in local search results.
Boosts customer engagement. More queries means more sales. Track calls with Google. Know how many leads come from Google. Better user experience. Make it easy for customers to reach you. So, if your phone is not appearing correctly on Google, you may need to verify your Google business profile or check Google's guidelines. If you find this information useful, like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have any questions.